In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your product and service listings within QuickBooks. This process is especially useful if you're looking to clean up your inventory or simply want to organize your sales portfolio better. Let's dive right in and take it step by step. First, you're going to need to navigate to QuickBooks. You can do this easily by heading over to your web browser and typing in the QuickBooks URL. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Get Things Done page. From here, our focus is going to shift to the Sales section. This section is vital as it houses all your sales information, making it the perfect place to start managing your products and services. Now within Sales, look for an option called Products and Services. This is the central hub where you'll list everything you have available for sale. Think of it as your digital storefront, providing you with complete control over every item you offer. Go ahead and click on this to access the list of products and services you currently have. Once you're in the Products and Services section, you might notice a drop-down menu arrow next to each of the entries. Clicking on this arrow gives you a multitude of options, one of which is making a product inactive. This function is crucial for ensuring that your list isn't cluttered with outdated or irrelevant items that you no longer wish to offer. So, if there's a product or service you want to remove, simply click on that arrow and select Make Inactive. This action will not delete the product permanently, but rather it removes it from active view, allowing you to reactivate it in the future if needed. This way, you maintain a clean and current list without losing historical data. Once you've chosen to make a product inactive, QuickBooks might prompt you with a message offering more information about what this action entails. When you see the Find Out More prompt, click on it. This will provide you with additional insights and confirmations regarding your decision, ensuring that you're fully aware of the potential impacts. By following these steps, you can efficiently tidy up your product offerings, focus on the items that currently matter to your business, and keep your sales section of QuickBooks organized and up to date. Remember, keeping your product list well managed not only aids in personal workflow, but also presents a more professional and streamlined inventory to potential clients and partners. That wraps up today's guide on managing your products and services within QuickBooks. I hope you found this walkthrough useful and easy to follow. Don't hesitate to revisit the steps if you need to, and as always, thanks for watching.